How to set up two-step verification on WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to enable two-step verification on WhatsApp for added privacy and security? If yes, then you are watching the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open WhatsApp on a device. You will land on the chat section. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner. A menu will appear. Tap on Settings. Then you will be directed to the Settings page. Over here, you will see the option for Account. Tap on it. Now, tap on the option for two-step verification. As you can see, it says, for extra security, turn on two-step verification, which will require a PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp again. This means no one can log in into your account with just the OTP received on a mobile number. To enable two-step verification on WhatsApp, tap the Turn On button at the bottom. Next, WhatsApp will prompt you to create a 6-digit PIN that you can remember. Once created, it will ask you to confirm your PIN. Finally, tap the Save button. As you can see, two-step verification has been enabled. Now you will need to enter your PIN if you log in with your phone number on WhatsApp again. And there you have it. You have successfully turned on two-step verification on WhatsApp. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.